My truck ain't running. Bitch, I told you to run. What the fuck? You lied to me. Alright, well, I guess we're getting a cold start then today. At the drive-thru, people. Good old Timmy Hose. Here to pick up a mobile order.
Mobile order?
Yep.
Your name?
Yep.
Item?
Yes.
Sure.
Come with me and you'll see a world of fucking bullshit. That's me. Speaker window gone. To infinity and beyond.
Farmers wraps.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Medium and dark roast, right?
Yep.
Medium.
Medium double and dark roast triple.
Dark roast.
Thank you. I'm off to do some fucking back at home. See you guys later. Woo. That was close.
Almost borrowed that with the beer. This would be the perfect song to just fucking fly through a parking lot with and pull out snow and get a pile going that's over the fucking hood of the truck. The Grand would have been titties right now. I miss that. I'm shocked that thing still fucking moves.
What are you shocked it still moves?
The fucking F-250.
What, your old truck?
Carm's seen it bombing around. You've seen it bombing around. Fuck, I don't know how many times. I haven't seen it yet.
No?
I haven't seen it driving around. But the amount of times I get messaged from people fucking...
Yeah, still all your tags on the side of you.
Yeah, exactly. I get a message from people, you drive like a fucking idiot. I know, but where did you see me? Driving the F-250. That's not mine no more. Hopefully Buddy doesn't go and do illegal shit on it. Or with it.
I mean, worst case scenario, they'll roll up to your place, see it's nowhere to be seen, and then just give him his address.
Where's it at? Right there. That's good.
When you said right there, that reminded me of when we were playing GTA. Where's your fucking car? Character points. Right there. Where the fuck is right there? look, bitch. Character's still pointing.
Smoke me. Punches me in the face.
Wham!
Thank you. I hope the fuck you crash, because I will fucking laugh as I pass your rotting corpse. I hope you I hope we pull up to him and he in a ditch. I'll die. I'll be dead. Like, you'll need to take over driving, because I'll be in the back dead.